Okay, I think three things would be that do a lot of work. Do work as much as you can, produce a lot of work to understand what is it that really matters to you, what is it that you really like doing.
Hmm.
The second would be finding your tribe, your people, your support system, staying connected. I understand the journey. I understand how when you're creative, there is a sense of loneliness that kind of crawls in. But how do you combat that? So finding that either it's through by joining a community, talking to your friends, going for events, whatever it is. I think that exposure is really, really important. Building that network and those connections is really, really important. So I think the second point would be finding your tribe. And the third one would be to be very self aware, cultivate this habit of being very self aware, of understanding and questioning actually that if you are procrastinating, then why are you procrastinating? If you are being a perfectionist, why are you being a perfectionist? If you have a fear of failing, or if you have a fear of judgment, whatever your fears may be, why are those fears there in the first place? So figuring out your why, I think, becomes very important, and questioning those fears and questioning your choices, it just helps you grow in a way that I think it just helps you being more open minded, where you accept feedback, where you're less critical of yourself, where you get the courage of doing things that you actually want to do in life.